Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have a great video for you today. We are going to be talking about Lucid Group stock LCID. It has potentials for huge downward pressures in the following months. Nobody has been talking about this on YouTube. I did want to be the first one to give you this information and to put it on your watch list, put it on the back of your mind, because there potentially could be a huge downward turn on Lucid Group. We will be talking about this and more. I think you're going to get a lot out of this video. Before we get down into and get started, give me that big thumbs up, keep me alive on YouTube, smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can get all my videos. Don't forget to get your free stocks right now. Moomoo has the best promotion. If you open that link below down to my link to Moomoo, open an account, put in $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks. But if you put in $2,000 or more, you get 3 additional free stocks. Each of these stocks are worth $3,500 up to that. And so don't forget to get yours. My viewers have received Apple, Tesla, Amazon stocks, so don't forget to get yours. Now transitioning, and without further ado, let's talk about Lucid Group, Lucid stock. So I have been mentioning that so far Lucid has had a great year, great 2021. It has been quite volatile, but we did go up quite a bit in its percentage on its stock. But moving forward in the next couple of months, in February, around February 12th of 2022, there could be huge downward pressures. And I'll explain this because Saudi Arabia currently owns about 63% of the stock of Lucid Group. On February 12th, 2022, their lockup of the private investment fund, their PIF lockup, will be expiring. What this means and what this translates to is that Saudi Arabia will be allowed to start selling their stock of Lucid Group. So far, they have not been able to touch their shares. They have not been able to take any profits at all. But once this date comes around, February 12th, it's around this date, this company, Saudi Arabia, will be able to take profits and sell some of its Lucid stock. If this happens, huge downward pressure could come because they own 63% of the company of Lucid Group. Now, something very similar did happen on September 1st. So if we look back in history, on September 1st, we did have the PIF investors. These are the private investment public entity funds, such as BlackRock, Fidelity, huge companies. There were about 7 of them that were handpicked that bought this stock at $15 before the merger happened. And on September 1st, the lockup expired for the PIF investors. They started taking profits. What happened during this period of time, just in a matter of hours, the stock went from about $21 all the way down to right under $16 just in a matter of hours. It was in pre-market trading. So definitely, we did see that these companies did take profits. Again, they bought their stock at $15, so they just made about $5 a profit per share. Now, as you know, Saudi Arabia's group, the PIF, the Public Investment Fund, did buy the stock at very dirt cheap prices. Are they going to be selling when it comes around in February? Nobody knows. Now, my take on it is I definitely think, in my own opinion, these are my opinions only, they might be taking some profits, which could put downward pressure on the stock of Lucid Group. Now, if that does happen, I do definitely think that the stock price will go down. Now, you have to remember that they did invest before Lucid Group really had a name, before they were anything, to get this company moving. Before that, it was called Ativia. It was a battery supply company that made batteries for Formula E race cars. It was headed by the CEO, Peter Rawlinson, but they did make that Lucid vehicle. They did try to get it out by the year 2018, I believe, but they were running out of money. They didn't have enough money to get this company rolling. Saudi Arabia came with this sovereigns fund and put in $2.3 billion into Lucid, which did make it now the company that it is. So definitely on these new EV startup companies, you need a lot of money. For example, Rivian, RIVN, its huge backer was Amazon. Well, Lucid Motors was the Saudi Arabian, the private investment fund. So that brings us to the question, will they be selling on February 12th? Nobody really knows. If they do take profits, we do know that this could be potential downward pressure on the LCID stock, but I'll give you more news as this comes around. But the big date to put on there is February 12th, 2022. In my own opinion and what I am doing, these are my opinions only. Always do your own due diligence before purchasing, selling your stock. But what I'm doing is I am holding. If this does give downward pressure, I plan on buying more Lucid stock, as I do believe in its future. I did make videos about its technology, its efficiency, the fastest charging vehicle in the system, in the EV market. Definitely, hands down, it is the next competitor to Tesla. I don't think it'll overtake Tesla, but it will be right at the neck and neck with this stock. I think it's going to be great, but that will definitely have some downward pressure February 12th of 2022. Let me know down below what you think about this, but I did want to give you this news and prepare you for the months ahead. Also, don't forget that next year, in the year 2022, Lucid will be making 20,000 vehicles of its Lucid Air. If they don't hit that quota, if they don't make those vehicles, also that could be another downward pressure on this company. Now, we do know that there's still chip shortages. We do know that there's supply chain issues out there. Will this impact this 20,000 goal? Definitely it could. As you also know, some downward pressure just came from the Security and Exchange Commission that they subpoenaed Lucid Group and CCIV about its projections whenever it was a merger, the SPAC company. They did have those projections, and that is one of the things that they're being investigated on. So far, we don't have any news on this, but we do know that Lucid Group is cooperating with this investigation. But again, I did want to show you in this video some potential downsides of Lucid Group LCID. I am still a huge believer in this. I still believe that this company is good. I don't want to spread any fear, uncertainty, and doubt. I'm just reporting the news that are out there. What we do know is that February 12th, around that date, the PIF lockup will be expiring. You can look it up on Google as well. And I'm just looking at past history, what happened with the PIF lockup expiration date on September 1st. The stock did go down. I believe it was 21% just in one day, actually just a few hours. So big things to watch out for. But anyway, I hope you learned something new. If you did, please give me that big thumbs up. Keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell. Hit all. Most importantly, share this video with others, your family, friends, coworkers, that next door neighbor, as we're growing this channel quite nicely, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Also, I do have my links down below that get you some free stocks. Moomoo has the best promotion right now, guys. If you use my link down below, open an account that will grant you a free stock. Put in any amount of money. Actually, if you put in $100 or more, we'll grant you an additional free stock. In addition to this, we'll give you a chance to get an LCID Lucid Motors stock. I am working with Moomoo, with my promoter, to get this for you. So that will give you an additional free Lucid stock. Also, if you put in $2,000 or more into my Moomoo link, that will grant you 3 additional stocks, each valued up to $3,500. So far, my viewers have received Apple stock, Tesla stock, Amazon stock. Now I've heard Lucid stock as well. And with this new promotion, you could definitely get even more Lucid stock, which is a huge, huge promotion. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, for all your support. Go out there and make some money, but most importantly, have fun, enjoy your family, your friends, and I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Thank you so much, and have a great day.